Sir, everyone, 2 o'clock now we leave from MBK. Now when we get down from the bus, I will tell the meeting point, this is the meeting point, then you come back there. But I cannot waiting more than 5 or 10 minutes because we don't know. Maybe somebody went away from MBK. If you try to MBK in half an hour or 1 hour, you will complete MBK. You can go by yourself and take a taxi to Indra Market by your own. But the last from where?
MB Market.
No, cannot. Somebody want to shopping Indra Market too.
Yes.
You manage by your own. But last point of the bus parking at Indra Market. Yesterday parking. You remember? Backside of Swagat restaurant. We have lunch at Swagat also. We have lunch at Swagat. The same place. Yeah, we had lunch there. Then we leave from the parking at 5 o'clock sharp.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
In lobby, 5 o'clock. Yesterday parking.
Yes. Yesterday parking behind of that
First of
restaurant.
all, you go MB Market.
Now MBK up to 2 o'clock. Then 2 o'clock we leave MBK to Indra Market.
Okay.
Now Indra Market spend their lunch in Swagat. Spend time there up to 5 o'clock.
Where is
Last time bus we leave. Now when I tell last time bus leave, 5:30 leave. That's me leaving, not 5:31, 5:32. No,
only 5?
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. I will wait in my time, not your time. Don't plan my time. I will plan for you.
Okay.
Now 5:30 sharp I leave there. Now 5 o'clock should bring the luggage, should loading the luggage for shopping everything. 5:30 I leave sharp because somebody have to on something. So many things has problem. Now when you have to check in, stand on the queue. You have to waiting the line for check in. Okay. Now one person, which flight you came? Jet Airway, right? 25 kg, na?
20 kg. In our ticket.
Oh, mentioned on ticket 20 kg, right? Them can supporting up to 25 kg. Now that's 20 kg mentioned there, right? You can up to 25. Now, but not pay more. But if over 25, you have to pay more.